Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about how you could go about creating your first Google My Business listing so you could get your name out there and get it listed on Google My Business listings, and so you could start getting calls and leads online. So let's know how you could get started with this. So first of all, you just have to go on Google and type in Google My Business listing, and just type this in the Google search bar. Then the first URL, you have to go there, and then you have to just click start now. Then I will go into my account which I want to create listing from. Then I will just type my business name, which is SEO Accelerator. This is for trial purposes. SEO Accelerators, create a business. Then here comes the business name. Then we will click next. Then this location will show up on Google Maps and search when customers are looking for your business. Do you want your address to get shown to the customers, or is it a location where a customer can visit? If yes, then click yes, but as it is an agency and I don't have an address where customers could visit, so I clicked no. Now, where do you serve your customers? Now, you might be situated in one city, but you might also service people in other cities. But in case of store, it might not be the case. So in that case, you have to just select your city. But in this case, I will just give the location and then click next. Now remember that we could change all these things later. So now just complete your profile. Now in business categories, you have to choose the categories. Now one thing I wanted to tell you that Google gives here more options than it gives in the dashboard. So do your research and select particular categories. Although we could add more categories later, this is our primary business categories. We could add more secondary categories later, and I will show you a hack to know what categories are the best to use for your local listing. Now click next. Now here comes the phone number which we will enter. Now I enter my phone number. I am not entering my website URL. I don't need a website. This is for trial purposes. I will just continue. Then I will click finish. Now the part comes about verifying our Google My Business listing. Now here you have to enter your details, all the details. Now I have deselected these things. I will click next. Then there are two options. Basically, I currently have only one option, which is postcard by mail. Now there are various ways to verify this listing, but one of the most common ways is to get a postcard. So what Google does is within a week or two, it sends us a postcard with a verification code, which we will have to enter into the website given on that particular postcard, and then it would verify our listing. But it takes a little bit of time. But in some categories, there's also an option called verify by phone, and also an option called verification by email, in which we get a verification code on the phone or email. That way is easier, but it's now started to fade out and Google doesn't offer those anymore. I don't know which listings get those codes, but now for me, I will need to verify by my mail. So I will do it. I will pause the video here until I verify this. So after the verification is done, or you click on the mail send, then you have a something like this, and you just click continue, and then voila, your Google postcard will arrive within a few days, a week or two, and then you just have to enter the code and your listing will get verified. So that's it for today's video, and if you want a description about how you could verify this in detail, then in the description down below I have given a link to a PDF which you could download and look into it and see how you could verify and create your first Google My Business listing. Go ahead and download that. It's totally free. I don't ask for anything. Just download that and get started with your Google My Business listing and create it as soon as possible and get your business online. And until now, I will see you in the next coming videos. Till that, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and come on to my Instagram, which is Latesh Bayad SEO. Follow me there. I will post more and more content for you guys, and I will post many more tactics and tips for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next coming videos.